Professional ISO Auditor Training Programs. Hello and welcome. This is URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, your trusted partner in ISO training, auditing competence development, and management system excellence. In today's video, we will introduce our professional ISO auditor training programs, covering foundation, internal auditor, and lead auditor levels, aligned with international ISO standards and CQI-IRCA UK auditing principles. Whether you are a working professional, an aspiring auditor, a quality or compliance manager, or an organization looking to build internal audit capability, this session will give you a clear overview of how URGS International supports your competence, credibility, and career growth. About URGS International. URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited is a professional organization specializing in ISO training and auditor development, inspection and conformity assessment support, management system implementation, and compliance consulting. Our mission is to bridge the gap between ISO standards and real-world implementation, ensuring that professionals and organizations not only understand the requirements but can apply them effectively and confidently. Our programs are delivered by experienced industry practitioners, auditors, and subject matter experts with strong exposure to manufacturing, oil and gas, laboratories, inspection bodies, certification bodies, healthcare, IT, and infrastructure sectors. Why ISO auditor training matters? ISO standards are not just documents, they are strategic management tools. Competent auditors play a critical role in ensuring regulatory and contractual compliance, identifying risks and improvement opportunities, strengthening governance and decision making, enhancing organizational credibility and trust. Through structured foundation, internal auditor, and lead auditor training, professionals gain clear understanding of standard requirements, process-based and risk-based audit skills, confidence to conduct effective audits, internationally recognized auditor competence. At URGS, our focus is not only on clause interpretation but also on practical auditing, real scenarios, and value-added audit outcomes. Training levels explained. We provide below trainings. Foundation training. Foundation programs are meant for beginners, executives, engineers, students, and professionals new to ISO standards. These courses focus on purpose and structure of the standard, key concepts and terminology, process approach, and risk-based thinking. Overview of implementation requirements. Then next is internal auditor training. These programs are designed for professionals responsible for planning and conducting internal audits, monitoring compliance and effectiveness, supporting management reviews, driving control improvement. Key learning outcomes include ISO 19011 audit guidelines, audit planning and checklists, interviewing and evidence collection, non-conformity writing and reporting, corrective action follow-up. Then next is lead auditor training. Lead auditor programs are intended for professional auditors, consultants, certification body aspirants, senior quality, safety, and compliance professionals. These programs emphasize audit team leadership, stage 1 and stage 2 audits, risk-based audit programs, audit decision making, auditor competence and ethics. Our lead auditor programs are aligned with CQI-IRCA UK auditing principles, ensuring global relevance, Now, standards covered by URGS International. URGS provides auditor training courses across a wide portfolio of ISO and ISO/IEC standards, including ISO 9001 Quality Management Systems for organizations focused on customer satisfaction, process efficiency, and continual improvement. ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety Management Systems for managing workplace risks, legal compliance, and worker safety. ISO 50001 Energy Management Systems for improving energy performance, efficiency, and sustainability. ISO 37101 Sustainable Development in Communities, supporting sustainable and resilient community development. ISO 39001 Road Traffic Safety Management Systems, focused on reducing road traffic injuries and fatalities. ISO 37301 Compliance Management Systems for structured governance, ethics, and regulatory compliance. ISO 30003 Quality Management for Software Products, applying ISO 9001 principles to software development environments. ISO 22000 Food Safety Management Systems for food chain organizations ensuring food safety hazards are controlled. ISO 27001 Information Security Management Systems, protecting information assets, confidentiality, integrity, and availability. ISO 29001 Petroleum, Petrochemical, and Natural Gas Industries, sector-specific quality management for oil and gas operations. ISO/IEC 17025 Testing and Calibration Laboratories, ensuring technical competence and reliable laboratory results. ISO/IEC 17020 Inspection Bodies for organizations performing inspection activities. ISO/IEC 17021 -1 Management System Certification Bodies, requirements for bodies providing management system certification. ISO 14065 Greenhouse Gas Validation and Verification Bodies for climate, sustainability, and emissions verification activities. ISO 13485 Medical Devices Quality Management Systems, regulatory focused quality systems for medical device organizations. ISO 19011 Guidelines for Auditing Management Systems, the foundation standard for audit principles and auditor competence. ISO 31000 Risk Management, a structured approach to identifying, analyzing, and managing risk. ISO/IEC 27006 ISMS Certification Bodies Requirements, competence requirements for bodies certifying ISO 27001. Training delivery modes. URGS offers flexible training delivery options to meet diverse needs. Online training, live, interactive sessions. On-site training at client locations. Corporate programs customized to organizational requirements. Each program includes structured presentations, practical examples and case studies, audit exercises and discussions, question and answer sessions with trainers. Who should attend? Our programs are suitable for internal and external auditors, quality, HSC and compliance managers, engineers and technical professionals, laboratory and inspection personnel, consultants and trainers, management representatives and process owners. Whether you are starting your auditing journey or advancing to lead auditor level, URGS has a program tailored for you. Why choose URGS International? Organizations and professionals choose URGS because of practical, audit-focused training, experienced industry trainers, alignment with ISO and CQI-IRCA UK principles, clear explanations and real-world relevance, professional certification and post-training support. Our goal is to develop competent auditors who add value, not just checklist auditors. Now, at last, closing and contact information. So, thank you for watching. If you are interested in foundation, internal auditor, or lead auditor training under any of the ISO standards discussed and many other ISO standards, we would be pleased to support you. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com, mobile +917359458455, URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Thank you.